In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Flow Discord Music Bot. We'll walk through inviting the bot, getting into a voice channel, using the / commands that power Flow, organizing a clean commands-only channel, and fixing the most common issues. By the end, you'll have smooth, high-quality music playing in your server. First, invite Flow to your server. Head to the official Flowbot invite page or its listing on a trusted directory like top.gg. Click invite, choose the server you want, and grant the requested permissions. The default permissions are fine for most setups. Then click authorize to finish. Keep in mind, you must have the manage server permission to add bots. So if you don't see your server listed, you may need an admin to invite Flow for you. Next, join a voice channel in your server. Flow will only start music when you're already in a voice channel, so jump into the one where you want the bot to play. You don't need to unmute your mic. Simply being connected is enough. Now use Flow's / commands. Flow doesn't use prefix commands. Everything is done with / commands. In any text channel, type /play, then paste a YouTube, Spotify, or SoundCloud link, or just type a search term like a song name. For example, wanna play song, Lo-fi hip hop. Flow will automatically join your current voice channel and start playing. If you're not in voice, the command won't work as expected, so always connect first. To control playback, type a / and you'll see Flow's commands. The essentials are play to add music, a pause and resume to control playback, skip to move to the next track, cue to view what's coming up, stop to end the session and disconnect the bot, loop to repeat a song or the entire cue, and volume to adjust how loud the bot plays. These commands give you quick control without needing extra setup. For a cleaner server, consider a commands-only channel. Create a channel called something like Music Commands. In its permissions, disable send messages for everyone but allow the use of / commands, then pin a note such as use Flow music commands here only. Even if regular typing is disabled, / commands will still work, which keeps music control tidy and centralized. If Flow isn't playing, check 3 things. You're in a voice channel, Flow has connect and speak permissions in that channel, and the channel isn't full. Adjust channel permissions if needed and try the command again. That's it. Invite Flow, join voice, use / commands, and you're ready to enjoy music in your server.